Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making an egg sandwich. This is a great way to start your morning. This recipe is packed with nutrition and flavor. So, let's get started. Alright, so for the ingredients, you're going to need 2 slices of multigrain bread, 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of unsalted butter divided. You're going to need 2 large eggs, 1 large handful of arugula, 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and plus some additional for cooking the egg. You're going to need half an avocado, thinly sliced, and then 2 tablespoons of Miracle Whip, 2 slices of cooked turkey bacon, and then 2 ounces of brie cheese, and finally some salt and pepper to taste. Alright, so to get things started, you're going to spread 1 tablespoon of butter onto one side of both multigrain slices and then lightly toast those. Once they pop out of the toaster, just set those aside. Now, for this recipe, you can either fry the egg scrambled, over hard, or to your choosing. But in this video, I'm going to show you that I'm making the eggs scrambled. So what I do is just take 2 eggs, crack them open into a small bowl, and sprinkle a dash of salt and some pepper, and then whisk those together until they're scrambled. Now with the arugula, all you want to do is take the 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil and drizzle it on the arugula, and then toss the arugula a bit so that it's all well coated. And you're going to set that aside for making the sandwich later. Now in a small or medium-sized pan on medium heat, or about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius, you want to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and then the 2 teaspoons of butter. Make sure the pan is well coated, and then you can add in your eggs. Allow the eggs to cook, moving the cooked bits towards the center as the rest of the egg continues to cook until you fry it down to your liking. Now I know everyone likes their eggs cooked a bit differently, but my scrambled eggs will not be runny. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And stay tuned to the end of this video where I show you a sneak peek of the recipe coming next week. Now for cooking turkey bacon, you want to fry it in the same medium pan on 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius until the bacon is cooked through on both sides. And that normally takes about 5 minutes. Just make sure you keep flipping the bacon back and forth throughout the cooking process. Once the bacon's cooked to your liking, remove it from the heat and set it aside. For the avocado, you want to just cut it in half, remove the pit and the skin, and then cut it into thin slices, lengthwise. So for preparing the cheese, what you want to do is just cut off 2 main slices and then remove the rind outer layer so that you just have the cheese left over for the sandwich. Alright, so now for assembling the sandwich, what you want to do is spread the Miracle Whip on the inner side of the 2 slices of bread, and then you want to place 2 slices of the cooked turkey bacon on 1 slice of the bread, and then follow that up by adding the egg, the brie cheese, the arugula, and the avocado slices. And do your best to pack on as much of the avocado as you can. Now just close the sandwich with the other slice of the bread, and then you want to slice the sandwich in half and enjoy. And just like that, you've made your very own egg sandwich. It's packed with nutrition, and this is a really quick meal in the morning. A great crunch with every bite. This sandwich recipe is golden. And for any of my pork lovers out there, you can always substitute the turkey bacon for real bacon. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef, and that's available on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave a link to that in the description box. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make my turkey sliders. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.